Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing two solar generators from Jackery. The Explorer 300, which is compact and portable, and the Jackery 2000 V2, a more powerful option for home backup or off-grid use. I've been testing both of them around the house, in the yard, in the car, and even up in the mountains. I've also picked up Jackery's optional Solar Saga 200 panels to try out solar charging. Let me show you how it all worked out. Let's start out with the Explorer 300. This is Jackery's lightweight grab-and-go power station. It's small enough to fit in a backpack, and it's perfect for travel, emergencies, or charging on the go. It has a 293 watt-hour battery and a 300 watt output, so it can easily handle phones, tablets, cameras, lights, and small fans. I tested mine with a phone, a Bluetooth speaker, and a small LED light, and it powered all of them at the same time. You can run up to 6 devices at once, and it's completely silent. No fumes, no noise, no hassle. It's great to keep in your car or take camping. It really gives you that reliable backup power when you need it. Now, just to clarify, these generators don't come with the solar panels. I picked up the Solar Saga 200 separately, and I've been very impressed with it. It folds flat, it has a built-in handle, and it's super easy to carry. And with up to 25% conversion efficiency, it charges super fast in direct sunlight. If you're planning on going off the grid or want to charge in the sun, the Solar Saga 200 is a solid add-on. Now, if you need something more powerful for running appliances or preparing for outages, that's where the Jackery 2000 V2 comes in. This thing is a beast. It has a 2042 watt-hour battery and a 2200 watt output, which means it can run several home devices at once, no problem. I tested it by plugging in a fan, a Wi-Fi router, and lights during a simulated outage. It kept everything running super smoothly. Then I brought it into the kitchen. I ran a coffee machine and even a toaster oven, no issues. I also used it in the garage to power some tools and work lights. Plenty of power and super stable. One of my favorite features is the built-in UPS. If the power goes out, it switches over in less than 20 milliseconds, so your devices stay powered with zero interruption. Despite its size, it still is lightweight for a 2 kWh unit, just under 18 kilograms, so you can move it around the house or load it up for trips. With the Solar Saga 200, I was able to recharge it using solar, and you can combine wall and solar charging. It fully charges in about 1.7 hours. Here's how I've been using both generators. The Explorer 300 stays in my car. I use it for filming outdoors, camping, and as emergency backups on the road. The 2000 V2 stays at home. It's ready for blackouts, powers my garage tools, and just helps me stay off the grid. And when I'm out in the sun, I bring the Solar Saga 200 panels. I set it up and I let the sun do the work. No gas, no noise, just clean power. So that's my take on the Jackery Explorer 300 and the Jackery 2000 V2. Both are super reliable, easy to use, and flexible for different needs. If you want something portable, go with the Explorer 300. If you want serious backup for home or heavy-duty tools, the 2000 V2 is your answer. And if you want solar charging, just add on the Solar Saga 200, definitely worth having. I'll drop links in the description so you can check out the current pricing and the details. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.